Another day in Jeddah. This is day I've lost count. So yesterday we went out and bought some. I went to buy my, what do they call it, ring light.
Now it's very hard.
Yes, that was really bright.
This one would have been.
Niente Latin, that's like how much?
130. 130.
صغير
Sorry. But this one, madam, this one quiz.
هذا 108
So I can have better lighting for my filming, especially for my food content. So the ring light has been set up. It's just here. I'll show you guys in a bit. And after that, we stopped by at Lulu to get plantains. I didn't film this vlogging life is not for the weak. Like here, expected to keep, showing up, switching on camera. No, most times I want to live in the moment. I don't want to just film. I'm living in the moment. So I didn't film that aspect, but I'll show you guys the plantain I got from Lulu supermarket in Jeddah. This is the ring light. It's quite huge and quite tall. I got this for, is it 120 sir? Yeah, 120 sir. After so much haggling of price. One thing you have to know about Saudi is when you're in Saudi, make sure you haggle price. If they tell you something is 100 SR, start from 50. If you're an African, you understand what I mean. You have to haggle like your African mom. Haggle the price till you get what you think is the best. Even at that, they must have still ripped you off. They must have ripped you off, but still haggle. Don't just give them the money if you have else. Yeah, GGC. Let's switch this on. Let's see how it goes. How does this work? Yeah. And then also, how do I switch it on? Is this not the on and off? Okay, you press it. Oh, ring light, sorry, I didn't know. Then this is where you adjust the brightness. Okay, and then you turn this down here and all right, so we have a better lighting system now. This is a better lighting system. Is it better? Wow, it's so bright. Oh, white. Let's reduce it. Wow, this is super bright. Super bright. I still need to understand how this works. Okay, this is it to reduce the brightness. Photography filming, guys. We went to the first shop we went to yesterday. The prices I saw there, I'm like, no, I gotta go. I just want ring light. I don't want anything fantabulous. Yeah, just ring light. Super expensive. Anything photography, for videography, all those equipments, they don't come cheap. So praise your favorite content creators who are putting in the money. They're really investing in this whole thing. It's very expensive. And then yeah, I got lots of plantain yesterday as well from Lulu supermarkets. So I'm going to fry plantain with egg sauce today. The farm band is going to have plantain. So on this day in Jeddah, I do not intend to make food content, cooking content and all that. But when I'm done cooking, I'm going to show you what fried plantain and egg sauce looks like a bit. Yeah. entrance without you. Oh, playground day. Look for tissue. Pepper, see, she say hi. Hi. Playground day. Mama, look for. You will see. Yeah, because you've been here before, but it was in the evening. It was in the night time, so it was in the night time, but we couldn't. Yeah, that's why it looks different. Can you remember they played the Saudi national anthem with the fountain? Yeah, so the fountain is there. This is such a huge park. Opens at 4 p.m. on weekdays. Playground is huge. So guys, this park is very huge. It opens at 4 p.m. I'm sure on weekdays. I haven't checked for weekends, but it's a weekday today. Today is Wednesday, yeah. So there are lots of security people here, security personnel here, or personnel here, to be able to man the park and the kids. But you also have to put an eye on your kid as well. Although I'm walking around making a film, making the content, my eye is like where my kids are as well. So yeah, let me just go play a little. If you want to enjoy playground with your kids, make sure you're fit, because all this climbing up, climbing down, and chasing the kids around is enough cardio, like enough exercise, like right. It's not easy. I love this place. Like, this is the best playground, free of charge, open to the public, and it's so nice. He said this is the life. Oh my daughter ran past me and said this is the life. Like, this is the life. No stress, just keep playing all year round. Got them. They're inside here. If I lived here every morning, I wish I lived like in any of these compound. Every morning I'll run like this, to and fro, this way, that way, this way. I'll run 3 times and I'll complete my exercise for the day. Hi, this park is so beautiful. The name of this park is Prince Majid Park. So beautiful, like beautiful, beautiful. 10/10 or 1000 over 100. The 1000 over 100, yeah. 1000 over 100, 10/10/10. The greenery, perfect. Birds chirping, perfect. Everything is on point, like 100. To the end of, or will I say the beginning of, another entrance of this park. And look at my view. My view in front, I can see, is it McCafe or McDonald's? So McCafe, I can see Burger King, I can see Boom Burger, I can see a major road here. Perfect. Let me show you guys. Back to the park. Look at this light. And we have a beautiful cat here. Meow. So I spoke cat, and this cat just calmed down. He's looking out for who called him or who called, I don't even know. So I said meow, meow, and that cat stopped where it was going to and stopped, just looking at me. And I just like to admire animals from afar, to touch them. There are lots of cats here. Well, there are lots of cats everywhere in Saudi. Cats, oh Lord, cats are like another first class citizen here. There are so much, both the street cats, the private pets. Hey, look at another one. Meow. Why are you running? Meow. What are you eating, though? Wow, look at how excited the children are at the country's national anthem. This badger looks exactly the same as the badger we went to before. Yeah. And the other is the same. I like the badger, maybe to taste it. This Shukran.
The car left. Looks like we're stranded. Well, we came here for the night. No more hotel. Well, that's that. She's just lying.